Increasing conversions on your website. First of all, go to www.facebook.com/ads/manager/creation. In the conversion list, click on Increase Conversions on your website. With this objective, you'll get people to take valuable actions on your website or app, such as adding payment info or making a purchase. Give your campaign a name and click on Continue. In the ad set, define your audience, budget, and schedule. First, you have to create your conversion pixel. To create one, click on Create Pixel and give your pixel a name. Then click on Next. You'll need to implement some website code to make your pixel work. Once you finish your campaign, set up your pixel later from the pixel page. You can also set it up now if you prefer. Now, select your conversion event. I'll choose View Content. If you have a saved audience, use it. If not, feel free to create an audience. In Placements, you choose where your ad will be shown and click on Edit Placement. In Platforms, select Instagram. In Advanced Options, you can specify mobile devices or operating systems. In Budget and Schedule, you have to define how much you'd like to spend and when you'd like your ads to appear. In Budget, select if you want to use a daily budget or a lifetime budget and the amount. In Schedule, select if you will run your ad set continuously starting today or set a start and end date. Click on Show Advanced Options and customize the optimization for ad delivery. That can be conversions, impressions, link clicks, or daily unique reach. Now, edit your conversions window, bid amount, when you get charged, ad scheduling, and delivery type. On your right, you can see the audience definition and estimated daily reach. Once you've finished giving your ad set a name, click on Continue. Now, create your ad. Here, you will select media, text, or links to create one or multiple ads. For format, you have 5 options: carousel, single image, single video, slideshow, and Canva. Read the description of each one and choose the option you prefer. I'll choose single video. Upload your video with the recommended video specs by clicking on Upload Video. You can connect with your Facebook page, add your website URL, add a headline, add text, and add a call to action. Click on Show Advanced Options and add a display link, see the URL parameters, pixel tracking, and offline tracking. On your right, you'll see the ad preview. Finally, click on Place Order.